Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, my name is Shalaka Sheshrao Dongre and I am currently in third year diploma in computer engineering from Zeal College of Engineering and Research. Our project title is IoT based weather monitoring system. I belong to group number 25 including me and my team member Aarti Khandage. The project is completed under the guidance of Professor Bansode ma'am and Professor Vijay Mohite sir. Let's move on the next PPT. As you can see in the PPT, the weather keeps on changing every day and man wants to stay updated about the latest weather condition at any place like a college campus or any other particular building. Introduction part of our project. Weather monitoring plays an important role in human life. So the collection of information about the temporal dynamic of weather changes is very important. The climatic change and environmental monitoring have received so much attention recently. Since the world is changing so fast, so there should be a weather station, and the weather station is based on IoT. Is Internet of Things. Internet of Things, it is a future technology of connecting the entire world at one place. All the object, things and sensors can be connected to the shared data obtained in various locations, and process analysis, that the data coordinating applications like traffic, signaling, mobility, health monitoring and medical application, and industrial safety ensuring method. As per the estimation of technology expert, 50 billion objects will be connected in IoT by 2020. IoT, it is equipped with environmental sensor used for measurement at any particular place and report them real time on a cloud. Weather monitoring system monitors the continuously changing climatic conditions. Let's move on the next PPT slide. Existing system. In today's world, many pollution monitoring systems are designed by different environmental parameters. In the previous research, a single master multi-slave microcontroller communication method has been developed, and it communicates using unicast communication, and it has star topology. For example, the master gave order to one slave address via the master slave network, and then the slave who has the same address which is requested will respond or take action in accordance with the master command. Master only do one communication at a time. Slave will only communicate if there is a command from the master and cannot communicate with another slave. Let's move to the next PPT slide. Humidity sensor. A humidity sensor is an electronic device that measures the humidity in its environment and converts its finding into a corresponding electrical signal. Humidity sensor is work on the principle of relative humidity and gives the input in the form of voltage. The analog voltage provides the information about the percentage relative humidity percentage in the environment. And miniature sensor consisting of a erase sensitive material deposited on a ceramic substrate, and the acid resistance of the sensor decreases as the relative humidity is increases. Let's move on the next PPT. It is a temperature sensor. Temperature sensor is an electronic device that measures of its environment and converts the input data into electronic data and monitors signal temperatures changes. Temperature sensor. The LM35 is an integrated circuit sensor that can be used to measure the temperature with an electrical output proportional to the temperature. If the temperature is high, then fan will on, and it doesn't require any external calibration or trimming, and its scale factor is 0.1 volt. Let's move on the next PPT slide. Next PPT slide is gas sensor. Gas sensor is an electronic device that detects and identifies different types of gases, and the sensor could be used to detect different combustible gases, especially for methane. Sensitive material of MQ6 gas sensor is SNO, with lower conductivity in clean air. MQ6 gas sensor has high sensitivity to propane, butane and LPG, and it also responds to natural gas, and it is with lower cost and suitable for different types of applications. And the gas sensor vary widely in size, portable and fixed range and sensing ability. Next slide is LPC1768. The LPC1768 is a ARM Cortex M3 based microcontroller for embedded application requiring a high level of integration and low power dissipation. The ARM Cortex M3 CPU incorporates a three-stage pipeline and use Harvard architecture with separate local instruction and data bus, as well as the third bus of peripheral. The peripheral complement of the LPC17 access include up to 512 KB of flash memory, up to 64 KB of data memory, Ethernet MAC, a USB interface that can be configured as either host device or OTG, 8-channel general purpose DMA control for UARTs, 2 CAN channel, 2 SSP controller, SPI interface, 312C interface, 2 input plus 2 output, 12S interface, 8 channel 12-bit ADC, 10-bit DAC motor control, PWP quadrator encoder interface, 4 general purpose timer, 6 output general purpose PWM ultra low power RTC with separate battery supply, and up to 7 general purpose IO pins, it means input output pins. This is all the detailed information about the LPC1768 ARM Cortex M3 based microcontroller for embedded application. The next PPT slide is system software. In this project, two types of softwares are used. First is CASE software for C programming and second is LabVIEW. LabVIEW, short for Laboratory Virtual Instrumentation Engineering Workbench. It is a platform and development environment for a visual programming language from National Instruments. The graphical language is named G, not to be confused with G code. The G data flow language was originally developed by LabVIEW. LabVIEW is commonly used for data acquisition, instrument control. And the Vision 4 is an IDE integrated development environment to help write, compile, and debug embedded programs. The next PPT slide is hardware. In this project, we have to acquire all the environmental parameters like a temperature, humidity, gas and accelerometer sensor and then share these sensor values using ADC pins in LPC1768. Here is in the figure, we used multi-sensor board for placing the sensor and accelerometer sensor for the checking earthquake conditions. And the power supply is 12-volt battery. Max board is used for transmitting the data in serial communication, and the sensor value will be displayed wirelessly on mobile using GSM. The next PPT slide is block diagram. The block diagram of weather monitoring system. The design and implementation of weather monitoring system is the model with the ability to perform data acquisition on temperature, gas, humidity and accelerometer sensor attached. As you can see in the block diagram, temperature sensor, humidity sensor, gas sensor is attached and it gives this sensor data to ADC port of LPC1768. It can also upload the data continuously to Excel sheet in LabVIEW with the help of RS-232 cable and also receive SMS with the help of GSM. The data transmitting from the hardware can be received in the LabVIEW. Using the serial communication, the read string displays the transmitted data and here indicates the like metering etc. And in the LabVIEW itself, we create an Excel file and place the Excel file in that folder because the updating or value changes can also seen in the Excel file like shown in figure number 4 LabVIEW result. Figure 4 LabVIEW result. As you can see, it shows the humidity, temperature, gas values, time and date. The next PPT slide is applications and advantages. First application is used in coal mine biogas manufacturing centers. Second application is used in power plant generation. Third is agriculture feed monitoring. Fourth is home automation, and fifth last one is industrial purpose. And the advantages of our project is, first advantage is this project can be used to save power. Second, enhanced for monitoring atmosphere conditions.